Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Going to be doing another video talking about gym equipment, specifically Planet Fitness equipment, but this can be applied to other gym equipment that's similar as well. I wanted to talk about building strength or hypertrophy in your calves. You can use a seated leg press machine. It's just a matter of setting it up correctly with the right range of motion so that you can work your calves. Quick little blip of what that can look like. So really, when you sit down on that seated leg press machine, so you're pretty upright, but you just need to make sure that the seat is in the right position where your feet are on that plate. And I like to get a little bit of a stretch so that my heels come down and I'm really using the balls of my feet. And so when I'm coming down, I'm getting that full range of motion and a little bit of stretch, and I'm pushing back up. You have to mess with the seat a little bit to make sure that when you come down, it actually has the tension in the right place. So you have to mess with that a little bit. But this is a great way to get that full range of motion, but then also work through progressive overload. Start with a low weight. Your calves, if you've not really worked your calves, it's something that you'll have to mess with a little bit, and you might be sore if you've not done it before. But it's also really important to make sure that you do focus on your calves. There's a ton of things I've been reading and looking at lately in terms of foot and lower leg strength for stability and foot pain, etc. So there's a ton of benefits. So if it's not something that you are currently doing, try it out. It's something to try to build into your workout routine for overall health. But this was a way that I could work my calves that I hadn't really done, and I didn't love what they had, but this is a great way to do it. Now, there are a few other options that I'll go into in some other videos that I do really like, but this is a great way to work your calves, and the seated leg press machine is something they probably have at other gyms besides Planet Fitness. But you can see what that looks like. You do have to mess with the seat a little bit, but just make sure that your feet are kind of towards the bottom. You can put your feet in the middle of the plate. You're just not gonna get that stretch when you come back down. That's still okay, but I like to put it towards the bottom so that I can get that stretch as I'm coming back down into that, and then go back into that eccentric. Mess around with the weight. You can do this with strength building or hypertrophy with some of those higher reps, and build this in. It's gonna give you a good foundation, whether you're active with sports or just working out and trying to increase your overall health and fitness. Working your calves is going to help build that foundation so that you can be healthy and active throughout your life. So hopefully this video helps you to give you an alternative on working your calves, depending on what kind of equipment you have, and maybe you want to try something different than doing some calf raises with dumbbells. So check it out. Let me know your experience below. Is this something that you try? If you have any questions, make sure to leave those in the comments as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.